it's Anna from Atlas. Let me show you how to create a population density map in Atlas in less than 100 seconds. Let's go. All you need is an Atlas account and let's create a new project. Then we're going to bring in some raster data. I found a TIFF file of population density data in India from Humanitarian Data Exchange. I will link it for you. And now that the data has been uploaded, we can click the layer, we can zoom in there, and we see on the right side styling panel that we have visualization type as image, and that doesn't really work. We need to style it in color range. So let's change the visualization type, and now we start seeing some differences. So there we can see already some population density. And then we can change the color map if we like to a different color, or we can go and edit the steps to quantize manual unique values, but let's keep the quantize. And then we can maybe adjust the number of steps so that we get more shades into our palette. We can also adjust the color range if we like, but I think we have to keep it quite low so that we really see the differences and where the population density is high. And this is how you create a population density map in Atlas in less than 100 seconds.